welcome back to my channel of blessing. It's really important for us ladies as a mom that we need to know what's going on in our body after having baby. In this video, if you are new in this channel, the Diastasis Recti is a split of your abdomen. I will give you the exercises that you need to avoid if you have the Diastasis Recti.
Sense of danger from Bottle Jack in a bottle of Coke. We are the people of simple pleasures.
Abs exercise, that I'm talking about abs exercise if you are using your core too much. And if you're using your core too much, you're just making it worse, and it's gonna get split even more. So please avoid abs workout. Again, leave it, skip abs workout, skip for now. To all my subscribers out there, thank you very much for staying in my channel, and please be healthy and be safe all the time. So if you're gonna ask me why I'm talking English, no, I'm trying to talk English because I know some of you are English speaking and I'm right now, so that's why I try my best to speak English, even though that I can feel the nose bleed. So yeah, so it's like a kamati style, like a tomato, you know. My English just like a tomato, like ding 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 ding. But hopefully you can get the message of my channel, of my, so sorry for my wrong grammar, for my blah blah blah. So that's not the main important, as long as that you can understand what I'm talking about. But anyway, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope, like, a woman out there, to mothers out there, that about our health, especially our body. So we need to look after our body, and we need to take care of our body. Just do it for yourself, not to your husband, to not anybody else. And again, before you do any physical engagement, you need to consult your doctor or your physician. Okay, I'm just here to share my opinions about fitness, about health, about exercise. I'm just here to guide you. I'm not really a doctor or a licensed fitness instructor. I have a knowledge, yes, but I want you to check also with your doctor or your physician. So until next time, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you have any suggestion, workout videos, and if you have any comments about the Diastasis Recti, please write it down below. I will happy to answer it. Until next time, health is wealth. Nangita kong kalibunan nga pwede ko, asa ko pwede mangihi. Dele. Nangita kong lugar kung asa ko dapita mag-vlog ani. I think diri na lang dapit. There you go. I think this is a good spot in here. Nagpaabot pa ko sa kong gamating. Nagpaabot ko sa kong estudyante.